Hey guys, so it's time for another Feature Tool Friday. And today, what we're going to be talking about, most of you guys probably saw us use this on, little windy, use this on the Woodcraft sign. And we're going to be talking about the Weenie roller. And this thing really came in handy for that Woodcraft sign because everything was set up above. We didn't have hardly any cleanup. And we're not the best with a brush and paint. So we have a scrap piece of board here. And now this is just one of the bare ones we did. This was inset. So I'm just going to kind of do a real quick demo for you guys. You just want to get a little tiny bit of paint on there. And then you'll be able to roll it. Now notice this one doesn't roll perfect. But not too much is getting down in there. And since you're going to have clear coat on it, it's not that big a deal. You can just take a Q-tip and wipe these little parts out. So we like to use the foam rollers as opposed to the heavy nap rollers right here. Because what this will do is this will end up getting way down in there and it's going to just make a heck of a mess. So the stiff foam rollers are really the way to go on this. So that's just a real quick demo. And then, this wind is killing us. So that's just a real quick demo of the Weenie roller. Again, the higher or the lower your inset stuff is and your background, the easier it'll be. And then like the power carving stuff, the Woodcraft sign, that was actually super easy to do because the wording was actually set at least a ½ inch above everything and then a full inch above the edges. So again, the foam roller and then just the small little Weenie roller, a nice stiff foam, that way it doesn't get into your background carving. So that's how we use it, but Dad's got another way. So I don't know what it is. We'll find out. Stick with us.
All right, you guys, so you saw Ryan's use for the Weenie roller and it really worked out well for us for putting paint on signs. It won't work in every situation, but especially if you've got raised letters like we did on that Woodcraft sign, it works really good. But this is a little known fact. You may not realize it wasn't originally called a Weenie roller. It was called a Frank roller. Why? Because that's the way it was designed. It was actually designed for Franks. So the way you use it, the proper use of this is you've got your barbecue sauce or your favorite condiment, whatever that would be. Let's say ketchup. Let's say you're a mustard and relish guy. That's the way to eat a Frank, or in this case, a Big Weenie. Yummy. So, Feature Tool Fridays. Stay tuned for more. You're going to learn something.